starting a new series. I'm moving out series because my boyfriend and I are finally getting our own apartment, and I'm for my new apartment. So basically, let's open this coffee table together. Are we moving in yet? No. Do I have a place for this in my house now? No. Why am I opening it? I don't really know. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Do I know how to put this together? No. I don't like that sound. Pause. Did it already come put together? Wait. Is it already together? It literally came put together. Hold on. Look! It already came put together.
Holy shit.
I have help. Okay, this actually took 3 minutes to put together. Okay!
It's such good quality too. Like,
I'm so happy that it came put together and I didn't have to do anything. Pretend I'm sitting on the couch right now. Okay, don't play with me. Don't want to break it before I move in, but this is literally such good quality. I love that it can lift up. And there's storage on the inside. There's 3 little spots, and it comes back down, and it's on like a little track, so it's not gonna break. I was a little bit hesitant because this is from TikTok Shop. This is great. 10 out of 10, recommend.